Can Varo Bank deposit checks? Can Varo Bank deposit checks? Varo Bank is an online bank, which means they do not have branches. So what happens if you want to deposit a check? Yes, Varo Bank can deposit checks, but you can only do this through their mobile app. People do say it works, but sometimes the money takes a little bit of time to show up in your bank account, unlike at other banks where you can actually leave a check with the teller at their branch. So how does it work? You actually need to take a photo of the check. It's called mobile check deposit, and through the app you can actually go through several steps where you can actually deposit your check through a Varo Bank app.